Hello everybody, welcome back to another TF2 live commentary. Today, we're going to be playing Scout, and we're going to be using the hand and the Force of Nature. Now hopefully we can get some people off the cliff, which is my favorite thing to do in the game. I love pushing people off the cliff and it getting environmental kills with the Force of Nature. 100% one of my favorite things to do. So I'm going to cut till setup's over, and hopefully we can do that. Okay, we're back. Had to end up going to the bathroom in the middle of setup, so I went ahead and got that taken care of. Looks like our team has pushed the cart up a little bit. That scout is or that spy is off the cliff if he is not already dead. That NG is off the cliff. Jesus. He does not know how to strafe. So, let's reset and get out there and hopefully do some cliff stuff again. Let's follow this pyro. What is this? This scout is so focused on those heavies. I expected him to turn and look at me, and he just didn't. Okay. Nice. Ran into the spy for our team. Hopefully we knocked him off. We did not, though. He's right here. We're gonna die to the soldier. Never mind, he missed his crit rocket. Hopefully our team can deal with that sentry, because we can't really go past that, sadly. Oh, he died. Well, we wanted him to die, but we didn't want him to die in that way. Let's push this cart. Cap the point. Is that sentry dead? It is. We might die here, though. As well. Let's go resupply. Benefits to scout. We are fast, so we can go resupply and not have to worry about our health being low all the time. Let's do our duty and push the cart a bit. We are the scout TF2. Let's check the teleporters. Looks like they're all destroyed and everything. But push a bit. Then let's go up here. Then I think I hear someone coming. I think he got headshot. That heavy's dead. I feel like we're kind of rolling this team, sadly. He is dead. Oh, yeah, we wiped them, so. These two cart heavies are kind of gross. Ooh, don't headshot me, please, while I'm itching my nose. Yeah, I really wish we didn't have two cart heavies just stuck to the cart the entire time. So anyways, I've been trying to think of some better video ideas to do. And I was thinking of like trying to recreate some of my favorite videos from when I watched TF2, which were when a YouTuber that I used to watch, who I'm not sure if he would want me to name him or not, so I'm just not gonna name him. Who used to play this game. He did something called Bad Comfort Zone. That is something that I might want to do. And a one-off video idea is doing a bingo board for TF2, which is something that I'm kind of interested in doing. But I'm worried that I might get called out for just copying him. So I wanted to see if comments were okay with it. That poor sniper was trying to get behind, do some funny stuff. He is dead. Let's see if we can knock someone in this pit right here. They have 4 spies, at least. Oh, well, we hit a random crit on him. And we knocked his body into the pit, I think. So, that's a win in my book. So let's look here. I don't see an engineer set up yet. And we did now. Yeah, I really don't see us losing this with our 4 heavies. Heavy's just kind of a pub stomp class, and we have 4 of them, so yeah. They had like 5 spies. Spy is not a pub stomp class, by the way, unless you're pretty decent at them. And it's definitely not a pub stomp class that you can stack. So, don't know what their plan was. All of them left though, so hopefully some of our heavies switch up so we don't win so hard. Looks like they did. That's good. But anyways, we're gonna cut till setup's over. We might end up getting auto balance, which would be fine. We'll just cut till setup's over though. So I'll see you then. Okay, we are live. Let's get out there. Try to get behind. He just died. I was hoping he would go off the cliff, but he just straight up died. That is a sniper. It looks like they still have quite a few spies. Which is fine. We'll probably win. But hopefully they come to their senses and switch off. See if we can get an arrow from this dead medic. Let's say Chiba? I don't think so. He's a heavy with an Australian minigun, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure he's just a tryhard heavy. I haven't seen him do any cheating though. Can you heal me? Thank you. Okay, we need to hopefully get healed by this medic. Nope. I saw that spy here earlier. I was hoping we would just shoot in a random spot where he was generally. And then we would knock him off the cliff, hopefully. Yeah, a big downside to wanting to shoot people off the cliff with the Force of Nature is that there's a lot of damage when it does its most knockback by heavy. It does a lot of damage when you're up close to people, which is usually the best area to get some good knockback going. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, our entire team is alive, but we're gonna take the teleporter. Trust me, Scout's allowed to do it as long as this entire team is alive and not the front lines. Help kill this spy. And we're probably gonna die this heavy, never mind. Aw man. Got him. Get this medic, who is now dead. Let's see if anyone takes this teleporter, never mind. Damn it. I really wanted to knock him off the cliff. We're probably gonna die this tryhard scout. Yeah. I think I'm gonna try to chill out on the whole killing them thing. I'm gonna try to only go for cliff things, because I kinda want them to cap, so that this will be a little bit longer. Oh, see this? Well, I was gonna knock you off the cliff, but you're dead now. Probably should have let him destroy the sentry, even though that would be a bad teammate thing to do. That guy is flying. I don't know if he died. He's level 3 dispenser, my favorite. That sentry's 99 HP. Hopefully a soldier just comes and rockets it, or a demo. I'm gonna try to let them cap the cart because I want to do more clip stuff, and the cliffing is yet to begin. But if they don't end up capping, we'll just do another round, I think. Like I said, no. Hopefully we can let them win. Doesn't look like they're going to, though. Unless they get multiple random crits like that. Okay, they did end up Ubering in, and it looks like they will be pushing the cart. Maybe not. Looks like my entire team collapsed on them. Hopefully this heavy can do it. Nah, Pyro's saved it. Okay, we'll probably end up doing another round then, depending on how long this, recording is. Hello everybody, welcome back to the TF2 live commentary. We'll be finishing off that first nature video with some double cross. Killed that scout. Wish he went flying. He probably wouldn't have went into the pit though, because scout does have a double jump. We appear to be capturing the objective. Do this pyro. Never mind, he's gonna do some bullshit. Let's go grab the health kit. Keep this heavy. And then snipe that medic. It looks like not really sure what we're gonna get going on here, but we are definitely gonna be killing a lot of people because it doesn't seem like their team is very smart. Looks like a lot of them are trying to do some meme shit. Looks like a bot joined. Hopefully they're able to kick it quickly. Okay. There's a scout coming this way. He did not come in the direction I wanted him to come. Let's see if we can get up here. Be the sniper. We're just gonna kill him because we found out that we were there. Let's go back here and wait here. Never mind, this pyro has a brain. Let's go back this way, jump up here, grab this health kit, and go resupply. And then come back out and absolutely demolish this scout. Nice. I want to push this sniper into the pit, but I don't think it's going to be an option. Okay. It's also getting pocketed, so that's kind of good for us since we want to push them into the pit. He just isn't coming out. So we're gonna go in here and kill him. Nice, they haven't kicked their bot yet. Well, while we were dead, it looks like they managed to kick their bot, so we don't gotta worry about that anymore. We probably only gotta worry about some decent snipers, which it looks like they do have. Let's see if we can get behind these good snipers. That engineer saw us, but that doesn't really matter to us. Don't see any snipers. See if we can get this medic in the pit. We did. That pyro is coming after us. That is an enemy demo. I'm not gonna pick up the intel, because that is cringe. Don't want to be there. We have a bot. Pick it. Let's go up here and Can't believe I didn't see that in time. Just kind of waiting around, hoping that a sniper comes. Anybody, really. We'll just go ahead and ham this guy. Put on here, get this health. Go back up here. Run away from that pyro. See if we can get a shot on him. No, we couldn't. And he hits the perfect flare on us. Okay, well, I decided that I was going to switch to the Sandman. Just felt like it would be fun. And we're going to kill this pyro. And then we are wanting to go after that pyro, but I doubt we'll be able to. Let us get our ball back. That's nice. If you're wondering why I'm using song, I'm pretty sure I already said, but I can't remember because I'm pretty tired right now. We pretty much are running Sandman because I want to get some top kills. So let's see if we can do that. That sniper sees us. Let's just leave this way. Let's not even grab that because that gives them more time to attack us. Well, even though we didn't technically knock him off, he did go off the cliff. Bye, pyro. Let's see what we can get done here. I can't get this pyro. This scout's got the idea. Just fucking run around with the intel. Cut that pyro, by the way. This pyro's decided to join me in my escapades. Let's see what we got going on here. Any sentries here? Not really sure what's going on. Okay, let's heal a little. I have a feeling these guys are getting ready to do the spam drop the intel soon. But anyways, let's get this scout. This sniper's just kind of doing his own thing. Reload. And fall. Okay, we are back from being blasted off the cliff by that pyro. Hopefully we can get some stuff going. These snipers might realize that we're here. Okay, nice. This scout's gonna ruin it. I don't think this sniper knows I'm standing on him. Let's get a taunt kill on him. Well, that works. Okay. But Spike tried to get a trick stab. He failed miserably. Hopefully we'll be able to get some people off the cliff some more. I think the game is about to end. So I guess thanks for watching. Get out there. Hopefully we can. I think this guy's trying to be friendly, but don't really need him there. Okay, it appears our intel has been dropped here, and is this scout gonna be the one to go take it to the intel room? I guess not. I guess we will. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked, I would appreciate if you leave a like. But if you didn't like it, feel free to leave a dislike. But anyways, thanks for watching.